But down here is a button right here on her privates.
Why is there a button there in the
And if you
first
push
place?
those, she makes these sounds.
Oh my god. Aye. Oh.
Like a gasping sound. And I know some of you may not think this is a big deal, but especially since I've had kids, this is wrong.
What have I just watched?
This button, it says nothing about this button on the box.
What?
Nothing. It's just there. And it makes a gasping sound when you touch her privates.
That
and
is...
to me, it's just like sexual sounds, and it's so disturbing.
Wow.
And I
That's
got
horrible
online to see if
and
there had been kind of any
very...
You cannot find this doll.
What? Hi guys, so that was footage of a parent showing you the Poppy Trolls World Tour doll from Hasbro Gaming, which as you can see came in its official box and packaging and appears to have a button on its private parts, which you press and it makes odd gasping, rather sexual noises. This is incredibly creepy, because the doll also sings and giggles with a button you press on its tummy area. I just think this is... how did this happen? I mean, this is just weird. I'm sure those of you watching grew up with dolls. I mean, obviously, as a boy I didn't have troll-like dolls, but I had other plastic action figures, you know, of whatever was around at the time, like He-Man and Action Man, and there were no buttons on the private parts. You didn't press anything down there. That would have just been weird and strange. But what I don't get is, how did this get... I don't understand how this got through, you know, inspection. I mean, how did this get through at the factory? Don't they inspect them as they come through? I mean, didn't anyone flag this up? Dave? What is it, Mark? Can't you see I'm busy managing this Hasbro toy factory? Oh, yeah, sorry about that. I just had two things I just wanted to mention to you. Firstly, the Krispy Kreme donuts have arrived up in the coffee room. And secondly, the latest batch of Poppy Trolls World Tour dolls. I had a look at the first one off the factory line, and it seems to have a button on the private parts that if you press makes weird gasping noises, which sounds quite sexual. And I just wondered whether that's the way it's supposed to be, because I'm about to press 10,000 of them to ship out for sale today, and I was a bit concerned that it might make us look like a bunch of predatory paedophiles who are trying to kind of get children into sex trafficking, and I wondered if that was what we were really all about here at Hasbro Gaming, rather than just making innocent toys. What? But... what? Hang on, you're telling me the Krispy Kreme donuts have arrived? And you're only telling me now? I'm the manager. I'm supposed to know first, before everyone else. You shouldn't have that information. If you'll excuse me, I'm going to the coffee room.
You know, not that you're naive to the stuff that's going on, but maybe it's never happened to you and you're like, really? Are they really grooming our kids? Sorry. I think they are. Because you touch privates and she makes inappropriate sounds. Why? Why does a little girl need that? She doesn't. And it actually, as a parent, makes me quite mad.